Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our channel, where we believe that reading books is the key to elevating your mindset and achieving success. Join us as we explore the world of literature and gain knowledge, insights, and inspiration. As students, we all have a unique opportunity to shape our own destinies and set ourselves up for success. But success in student life is not just about getting good grades. It's about personal and professional growth. It's about setting goals, staying focused, and making the most of every opportunity that comes our way. First, let's talk about setting goals. It's important to have clear and specific goals in mind and to break them down into smaller, achievable tasks. Write them down and track your progress. And most importantly, don't forget to celebrate your achievements. Next, let's talk about staying focused and disciplined in our studies. Set aside dedicated time each day for studying. Take thorough notes and actively engage with the material. This will help us retain the information and understand it better. In addition to academics, also make time for extracurricular activities. They can help us develop new skills, meet new people, and add balance to our lives. Networking and building connections is also a key component of success in student life. Attend career fairs, join clubs and organizations, and seek out mentorship opportunities to build a strong network. Remember, success in student life is not just about getting good grades. It's about personal and professional growth. With the right mindset and approach, we can achieve our goals and make the most of our time as students. So let's make the most of this opportunity and strive for success. Thank you.